You can use gels on two different kinds of items. One of them is a fixture and the other is a frame. So let's take a look at how that works. For a fixture, we have our gels button right here, and right now we don't have any, so we're going to add some, and we're going to be able to search through a number of standard built-in gels, but the nice thing is if you have the Pro account, you also have Cloud Library gels, and that's going to give you access to over 2,000 other gels. Let's take a look at what we have in here. So if we look at some straw, we have a number of different options. Just go with a straw there, and now you see we have it show up right here. Now for this this particular fixture, we don't have the name label on. If we do, the gel is going to move around with it. If we have it off and maybe you don't want to see gels, you actually do that as part of layers, so you can hide or show all the gels over there. Now obviously sometimes you're going to want multiples, so let's see if we want that, and then maybe we add some diffusion, and we have multiple here. And if you want to organize these, just drag and drop them. For ease of use, you can also copy and paste them. You can remove them all if you want to do that. And for fixtures, you can see them on the patch. So it works exactly the same way here if you want to add new ones. For frames, they don't work too differently, except you have to choose to use them. So you can choose gels here, and now you have the exact same interface that you had before. And obviously this is a little bit of a big one to have a gel on, but we're going to go ahead and look at that. And one cool thing about frames is that it's actually going to take the transparency of the gel into account. So you can see that if I take this and I move it over there, you can see through it. So that is how gels work.